throw when me still plant my feet. Outcast heart but my mind still neat. Stone by stone me build up truth. Long road taught me forget to move. When them say me small, me grow taller. When them close door, me find my own corner. Every scar tell a story clean. Pain turn gold in my bloodstream. So if you hear me chant, know it come from dust and fire. If you see me stand, it's the struggle lifting higher. Roots are the outcast, roots are the outcast. Me rise, me rise, me rise. Roots are the outcast, roots are the outcast. Bad mind can't kill my vibes. Roots are the outcast. Oh, oh. Roots are the outcast. Ja, inna me guy. Guy. Hey. Them love the shine, but me love the mud. We're hungry days teach a youth total love. One thin plate, one prayer, one light. Still me heart beat bold through the night. Me see the king in the beggar face. Me see the saint in the broken place. No crown need, me know my name. Iron in my bones and a sacred flame. So if you hear me chant, know it come from dust and fire. If you see me stand, it's the struggle lifting higher. Roots are the outcast, roots are the outcast. Me rise, me rise, me rise. Roots are the outcast, roots are the outcast. Bad mind can't kill my vibes. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Ja, inna me guy. My guy. Them build a wall, but me find door. Them plant fear, but me bear more. Every bruise turn wisdom deep. Every tear water what me keep. Roots are the outcast, roots are the outcast. Me rise, me rise, me rise. Roots are the outcast, roots are the outcast. Bad mind can't kill my vibes. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Ja, inna me guy. Even true Joe. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. Me come from the cracking of the wall, where them say the weak one always fall. But out of the dust, yeah, we learn fi stand. Barefoot wisdom in the palm of me hand. Ja plant a seed in a broken ground. Love little truth in a the last man's song. So if you're vexed, don't drown in a shame. Every outcast carry a royal name. Turn me scars in a sunlight now. Watch the low place teach me, oh. Roots are the outcast, strong and deep. Roots are the outcast, now go sleep. We rise in the fire and rain. Roots are the outcast. From the edge of the road, we feel no change. Them point finger say, you don't belong. But a sister like river still travel strong. Stone in a shoe, still me forward go. Rough roads teach the sweetest soul. Who got nothing got more to give. Cause I'm a lot no feeling. So if you don't look straight ahead, dead end places can grow fresh bread. Hear the drum and feel it, God. Even the bent tree reach for tall. Roots are the outcast, strong and deep. Roots are the outcast. One man's trash, another man gold. One little flame can warm the cold. Me nah beg for seat at no false king table. Me build me peace and ground and stable. Outcast but the spirit bright. Take the long road, still hold the light. Roots are the outcast, strong and deep. Roots are the outcast, nah go sleep. We rise in the fire and rain. Roots are the outcast. From the edge of the road, we feel no change. Roots are the outcast. Shout it loud. Roots are the outcast. Humble and proud. Jah know we rise again. Roots are the outcast. Born from the hard place, blessed within. Yeah. Go na 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 na. Yeah. Me come from the cracking of the wall, where them say the weak one always fall. But out of the dust, yeah, we learn to stand. Barefoot wisdom in the palm of me hand. Jah plant a seed in a broken ground. No flickle truth in a the last man's sound. So if you're vexed, don't drown in a shame. Every outcast carry a royal name. Turn me scars in a sunlight now. Watch the low place teach me, oh. Roots are the outcast, strong and deep. Roots are the outcast, nah go sleep. We rise in a fire and rain. Roots are the outcast. From the edge of the road, we feel no change. Them point finger say you don't belong, but a sister like river still travel strong. Stone in a shoe still me forward go. Rough roads teach the sweetest soul. Who got nothing got more to give. Cause humble heart know how to lose. So if you don't look straight ahead, dead end places can grow fresh bread. Hear the drum and feel it call. Even the bent tree reach for tall. Roots are the outcast, strong and deep. Roots are the outcast, nah go sleep. We rise in a fire and rain. Roots are the outcast. From the edge of the road, we feel no change. One man's trash, another man gold. One little flame can warm the cold. Me nah beg for seat at no false king table. Me build me peace and ground and stable. Outcast heart, but the spirit bright. Take the long road, still hold the light. Roots are the outcast, strong and deep. Roots are the outcast, nah go sleep. We rise in a fire and rain. Roots are the outcast. From the edge of the road, we feel no change. Roots are the outcast, shout it loud. Roots are the outcast, humble and proud. Jah know we rise again. Roots are the outcast, born from the hard place, blessed within. Yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Them say we curse, but we still stand tall. Outcast pick me yet we not fall. Barefoot pan gravel, heart like stone. Hungry days teach man how to grow. Me learn from the youth where nobody rate. Turn pain to wisdom, disappointment to faith. When Babylon laugh, we just smile back. True road rough, but it can't cut track. So if you feel low, hear me now. Even last seed rise from the ground. Every scar got a story fi tell. Every hard knock shape the shell. Roots of the outcast, stand up strong. Roots of the outcast, sing the song. We broke chains, we broke shame. Still the fire in the name. Roots of the outcast, no harm bow. Roots of the outcast, grow, grow, grow. Me see the man them sell out soul for food. Me see pure pride turn rude and crude. But me choosing road stay humble true. One clean heartbeat like morning dew. Jah put light in a cookie lane. Even sweet rain wash me pain. So me tell you, family don't lose sight. Dark side make the strongest light. When you feel like the world say no, hold your breath and let truth grow. This place where them throw it down is the same place we claim our crown. Roots of the outcast, stand up strong. Roots of the outcast, sing the song. We broke chains, we broke shame. Still the fire in the name. Roots of the outcast, no harm bow. Roots of the outcast, grow, grow, grow. Make them talk, we keep on moving. Stone by stone we build with proof. From the ditch to the mountain high. Out of darkness we learn to fly. No chain can hold what soul can keep. No storm can drown the sea them deep. Roots of the outcast, stand up strong. Roots of the outcast, sing this song. We broke chains, we broke shame. Still the fire in the name. Roots of the outcast, no harm bow. Roots of the outcast, grow, grow, grow. Outcast no mean broken, it mean chosen, feet awakened. Roots run deep through mud and flame. Still we rise in a journey. Them say we curse, but we still stand tall. Outcast pick me yet, we now fall. Barefoot on gravel, heart like stone. Hungry days teach man, oh fi grow. Me learn from the youth where nobody rate. Turn pain to wisdom, disappointment to faith. When Babylon laugh, we just smile back. True road rough, but it can't cut track. So if you feel low, hear me know. Even last seed rise from the ground. Every scar got a story fi tell. Every hard knock shape the shell. Roots of the outcast, stand up strong. Roots of the outcast, sing the song. We broke chains, we broke shame. Still the fire in the name. Roots of the outcast, no harm bow. Roots of the outcast, grow, grow, grow. Me see the man them sell out soul for food. Me see pure pride turn rude and crude. But me choosing roads stay humble true. One clean heartbeat like morning dew. Ya put light in a crooked lane. Even sweet rain wash me pain. So me tell the family don't lose sight. Dark side make the strongest light. When you feel like the world say no, hold your breath and let truth grow. This place where them throw it down is the same place we claim our crown. Roots of the outcast, stand up strong. Roots of the outcast, sing the song. We broke chains, we broke shame. Still the fire in the name. Roots of the outcast, no them talk, we keep on move. Stone by stone, we build with proof. From the ditch to the mountain high, out of darkness we learn to fly. No chain can hold what soul can keep. No storm can drown the sea them deep. Oh, oh. Roots are the outcast, stand up strong. Roots are the outcast, sing the song. We broke chains, we broke shame, still the fire in the name. Roots are the outcast, no harm. Roots are the outcast. Grow, grow, grow. Outcast don't mean broken, it mean chosen, be awakened. Roots run deep through mud and flame, still we rise in a journey. Oh yeah, na 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 na. Oh na na, oh yeah, ah. Born pon the edge, me know the cold. Same broken road, same story told. Them shut the door, me find the gate. Outcast, I can't learn to hate. Me mother say, stand up straight. Even when life say, you're too late. Me carry fire in a trouser hem. One little spark make a whole world bend. Oh, hear me now. When the crowd move wrong, me move anyhow. Oh, hear me now. Rock stone mine, but me plant new seeds somehow. Roots of the outcast, strong and deep. Roots of the outcast, take your sleep. Roots of the outcast, rise and sing. Rooted in pain, but me born for win. Them laugh loud when me walk alone, but lonely roads still grow good bone. Dog got tears and hungry rain, teach me joy can grow from pain. Me see the liar in a shiny suit, me see the child we still need fruit. So me share my bread, me share my tune. One good beat can brighten June. Oh, hear me now. Every scar turn wisdom when the storms calm down. Oh, hear me now. Little by little, me build my crown. Roots of the outcast, strong and deep. Roots of the outcast, take your sleep. Roots of the outcast, rise and sing. Rooted in pain, but me born for win. If them call you strange, hold your ground. Jah know the vice where them can drown. Stone by stone, we build from dust. Heart of a lion, mind of trust. Oh, roots of the outcast, strong and deep. Roots of the outcast, take your sleep. Roots of the outcast, rise and sing. Rooted in pain, but me born for win. Outcast, but me never lost. Wisdom sweet in the hardest cast. Outcast, still me stand tall. One love rise and it cover. Burn pon the edge, me know the cold. Same broken road, same story told. Them shut the door, me find the gate. Outcast, I can't learn to hate. My mother says stand up straight. Even when life say you're too late. Me carry fire in a trouser hem. One little spark make a whole world bend. Oh, hear me now. When the crowd move round, me move anyhow. Oh, hear me now. Rock stone mine, but me plant new seeds somehow. Roots are the outcast, strong and deep. Roots are the outcast, take your sleep. Roots are the suit. Me see the child will still need fruit. So me share my bread, me share me tune. One good deed can brighten June. Oh, hear me now. Every sky turn wisdom when the storms calm down. Oh, hear me now. Little by little, me build me crown. Roots are the outcast, strong and deep. Roots are the outcast, take your sleep. Roots are the outcast, rise and sing. Rooted in pain, but I'm born to win. Yeah. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah. If them call you strange, hold your ground. Can no device where them can't drown. Stone by stone we build from dust. Heart of a lion, mind of trust. Roots are the outcast, strong and deep. Roots are the outcast, take your sleep. Roots are the outcast, rise and sing. Rooted in pain, but I'm born to win. Yeah, outcast, but me never lost. Wisdom sweet in the hardest cost. Yeah, outcast, still me stand tall. One love rise, and it cover up. Yeah. Yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah. From the lane them through, me still plant my feet. Outcast start, but my mind still need. Stone by stone, me build up truth. Long road taught my faith to move. When them say me smart, me grow taller. When them close door, me find me one corner. Every scar tell a story clean. Pain turn gold in my bloodstream. So if you hear me chant, know it come from dust and fire. Yeah. If you see me stand, it's the struggle lifting higher. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Me rise, me rise, me rise. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Bad mind can't kill my vibe. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Jah in my guide, my guide. Yeah. Yeah. Them love the shine, but me love the mud. Where hungry days teach I you to love. One thing plate, one prayer, one light. Still me heart beat bold through the night. Me see the king in the beggar face. Me see the saint in the broken place. No crown need, me know me name. Iron in my bones and a sacred flame. So if you hear me chant, know it come from dust and fire. Oh, if you see me stand, it's the struggle lifting higher. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Me rise, me rise, me rise. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Bad mind can't kill my vibes. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Jah in my guide, my guide. Yeah. Oh. Them build what, but me find door. Them plant fear, but me be a more. Every bruise turn wisdom deep. Every tear water, what me keep. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Me rise, me rise, me rise. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Bad mind can't kill my vibes. Roots are the outcast. Roots are the outcast. Jah in my guide, my guide. Yeah. Oh. me never last. Outcast, but me know my cause.